G'day guys, how's it going? Right, we're doing another giveaway. This time it is for all paid members. So that's standard, premium and ultimate members. And what we're going what we're giving away is the Soto Extendable Torch thing. It's a butane lighter, but it does that, and it's brilliant for when you're out camping, or even if you're around, you can see that hopefully, even if you're in the workshop and you want to do some shrink wrapping on wires, or even soldering like those. I've got those little sleeves that have the solder in it. You just put the two wires in, grab that, heat it up, hey presto, it's all done. It's sealed together, it's waterproof, the whole kit and caboodle. You can even light your cigarette with it if that's what you do. Right, so now I will just show you. So last week, or not last week, the last giveaway was the Leatherman Bond, and we gave that away. There it is. Peter Bruce from Victoria won that. He's already got it. I know he's got it. He's bloody sent me a thing saying thanks heaps. So that is being done. And then the next giveaway that we're doing is, and that will be for all, so the Peter Bruce one, that was for ultimate crew members only. The next one in a couple of weeks is the Woburn H5 multi torch thing, which I run. Of course, I've bought it again. I'm only getting these giveaways that I think are useful for motorcycles and camping, or something in the shed, you know, something that, yeah, to do with what I bloody whack on about. So that's on the 23rd of 2025, and that's for all members, so paid members and the free members, which are the website subscribers, are all put in for that one, but that's in 2 weeks' time. All right, now that I've got that out of the way, so we're giving away this bloody Soto thing, and of course we're using the wheel of names. So we've got 90 people. You can see that. 90 people here from Australia, because obviously it's only for Australian people, because you guys already know that. So I'm just going to hide that away. So here is everybody on here. I've just got to click this thing. It's going to spin up, and we'll get a name. Are we ready to do it? Let's do it. Let's see who's going to win this Soto thing. Away she goes. You most probably can't hear that because it does a little. And what do we got? Oh, Pete Stegall from WA, Western Australia. Brilliant. Last week, I keep saying that. Yeah, cool. I was hoping it was going to be a non-Victorian, just so that it doesn't look dodgy. I mean, it can't. I mean, I can't dodgy this anyway. So there you go. Pete, congratulations, mate. I've got your address, but I will give you an email just to confirm that address with you. And I'll bloody get that sent out to you. There you go. Bloody ripper. Righto, I'll see you in the next video. Remember, keep on riding, and if you ain't riding, keep on keeping on.